Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in content marketing and mastering content channels, one of the channels that is associated with content marketing is mobile apps. How mobile apps will help you in content marketing, what are the techniques that you need to implement, and some of the tips that are associated in creating the mobile apps. Let's check them out. Why in the first place we need to use mobile apps as a content marketing technique? These are the reasons. App downloads by 2017 is going to be 268 billion downloads because apps are increasing rapidly to exponential levels. Revenues generated from mobile apps in this year $77 billion. US spends more time on mobile apps than desktops and laptops. Users spend more time on mobile apps, on mobile devices than desktops and laptops. Increased penetration of smartphones. Smartphones penetration is deep and it is increasing rapidly. Improved customer engagement. The more the users are logging onto their smartphones and using the mobile apps, the more the engagement. Increased customer loyalty, and these are the reasons why you need to have a mobile app for your business for do effective content marketing. The benefits of content marketing are immense. Reach targeted customers on the move. The users are on the move. When the users are on the move, when you have a mobile app, you are going to reach the customers quickly, easily, even though the users are on the move. Offer valuable information right into their hands. The people are moving, the mobile handset is in their hand, the smartphone is in their hand, and they are accessing you, your services, your products and your solutions. Visible to customers all the time. 24/7 because the phone is with them, the smartphone is with them. Apps constant reminder of your business. Since your app is available in the smartphone, download it, their constant reminder of your business. They increase engagement. The more the engagement, reduce costs because you are not doing a lot of marketing involved in it. Cultivate customer loyalty. Engages engagement and customer loyalty. Helps in building a brand, most important point. If you have a website, landing page, that is fine, but if you have a mobile app, it is constantly in touch with the user. Quick and more conversions. The more quicker and the more the conversions. These are the immense benefits of having a mobile app that is constantly in touch with the users. Some of the tips that you can think of implementing as far as creating a mobile app is concerned. Build the app available for multiple platforms such as Android, Windows and iOS. Extremely important. So multiple users are using multiple devices, multiple handsets. Optimize the App Store with rich and long tail keywords. When your app is available in the App Store, optimize the App Store, which is extremely important, with long tail keywords that are associated with the product, services and solutions and the industry related. Formulate app title and description best suited to the app with relevant keywords. Besides from the long tail keywords, the title and the description matter a lot because a lot of people are searching for mobile apps, and the title, the description, keywords matter a lot. Create compelling screenshots of your app with features and benefits. Screenshots of the apps are extremely important because people can see what is being offered in terms of the features, in terms of the benefits. Reviews. Invite industry leaders and tech bloggers to write reviews. Reviews by industry experts and tech bloggers help you a lot in gaining visibility and creating a brand identity because people read a lot of reviews so that they can actually engage with a particular customer and download the apps. Reviews play a very important role. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is content marketing techniques, why mobile apps, the benefits and the tips that you need to implement as far as mobile apps are concerned in content marketing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.